Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix always on display not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system, scroll down and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix always on display not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.